fell off on the last video by the wind. I don't know why, but I have it tight. I know where I'm at. Right by EP, close to EP, or wherever. It's kind of cold. I had to have my soft on because it's still cold in Houston, Texas. It's like in the 30s, feel like 20 maybe, I don't know. I'm catching up, driver, garbage truck driver, or whatever. I'm catching up to the driver. I don't know if I'll be able to film next week because I don't know. After we'll see. I have to see yet because of the rain. We might have rain next week, so again,